Have you ever been stuck with a PDF file that has tables or data you need to work with in Excel? Maybe it's a price list, a bank statement, or a report with figures you need to calculate in Excel. But manually copying everything from PDF to Excel takes a lot of time and effort. Well, today I'll show you a quick and easy way to convert any PDF file to Excel, saving you time and effort. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple and fast solution for converting PDF files to Excel using Systweak PDF Editor. So let's see how. First, open your Systweak PDF Editor tool. If you don't have it yet, check the link in the description to download and install it. Once installed, open the tool and click on Open PDF. Now locate your PDF file that you want to manage in Excel. Select the file and click Open. Now that the file is loaded, click on the Convert option in the toolbar. From here, we want to convert the PDF to an Excel spreadsheet. So click on Convert to and select PDF to Excel. Choose where you want to save the converted file. You can click on Output folder to pick a location on your computer. After selecting the folder, click on Convert to Excel. Now let the tool work. And it's done. Your PDF file has been converted to an Excel spreadsheet and saved in the folder you chose. Let me open up the Excel file we just created. Here it is. The entire table from the PDF is now editable in Excel. You can work with this data in Excel without having to re-enter everything manually from PDF. And that's it. Converting a PDF to Excel is super simple and it saves you from hours of manual data entry. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.